today we're gonna do
Science.
Check that out, huh?
I'm gonna show the people this now, and today we're gonna do this one. Hi, I'm Reina. Welcome to my channel. It's science, but
Oh, wow.
first
12 days of discovery.
12 days of discovery.
Yay. So we have here 12 science experiments, huh?
Yes.
Oh, from making volcanoes to slime. What else do we have?
A bath bomb too, I think.
Oh, bath bomb.
Yeah,
That's
looks
always
like it.
fun. Yeah.
And making bugs, worms.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Sonto?
Really?
Look at that, looks like a fry.
Which one want to go start with, Reina?
I want to do
Can you
this.
open up from the start here?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how are we going to do this? Punch it.
Be careful. You want me to get the scissor or something?
Yeah, he's going to do it. Oh, man, this is kind of
Hard, huh?
Can you rip it?
No, I want you to do it. I'm just gonna.
You want me to take the blame.
mess it up.
You want your daddy to take the blame.
Why you know something?
Oh, so, okay, start here. Okay. Pull it out, sweetie. What do we have?
Everything?
Yeah.
Everything?
Also, each little pocket is a little container. Oh, sweet. Look. Each little number is a little door to a project. The beginning is the tool set for all your science experiments. It starts in the middle, right?
I see.
You have a measuring cup.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tube. Wait.
A
that's
mold.
for bath bomb, right?
Yeah,
It
but
looks
just for a
like.
bath bomb.
Uh-huh.
And then you have stirring sticks
Uh-huh.
and a measuring spoon.
Yeah.
Oh
You have 12 science experiments.
yeah.
First one is looks like a rainbow bath
No,
bomb,
that
right?
was fun.
Yeah.
Bath bomb.
I'm not sure. Is it bath bomb? I'm
I
not.
think that's what it is.
The number
Maybe,
10.
I don't know.
Number 10?
Number
It
10.
looks like bath bomb too, right?
Oh, you know what? Number 10 is probably the bath bomb.
So I
So
don't know
what's,
first one.
what does number 1 say? Ball blast bouncers. Oh.
Bouncer, so that means
So you make a rubber
flippable.
ball.
Yeah.
Oh, that's even fun. That's more fun.
Should then we can keep it.
Yeah.
Should we do this?
Yeah, we can do number 1. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Okay.
This one you can keep it, right? High
Yeah.
five.
Okay, let's open.
All right.
Yahoo!
So once again, Dad's gonna take the blame, right?
What?
So if I tear the box open by accident, it's Daddy's fault. Ooh, oh, here we go. There we go. Rip it open. Yay! All right, Randy, you want to get it out, sweetie?
Yeah.
Pop it out.
Sure I want to, right?
Uh-oh.
Okay. We gotta take it all out, right?
Yes.
Everything.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, it says green global powder.
Okay. Green glow ball powder. And it
That's
looks
the
like
yellow global powder.
Wow, look at this.
An orange brown powder.
Powder, that's right.
White brown
Ball.
powder.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
We do need the instructions, so do not throw away the instructions.
This time, right?
Day 1, ball blast bouncers, page 1. Oh, Reina, it says it's for 7 years and older. How old are you?
5 years old.
So I guess we can't do this.
Oh.
We have to be 7.
Uh,
What are we gonna do? Gonna put it back?
yeah.
No, you shouldn't.
She is so
Reina, I'm
squid.
older than 7, so I'll let you do it with me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That is so nice.
Alright, so what we have to do, we have the mold. We're gonna make some rubber balls that bounce. Okay?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
so we're gonna do a little bit of orange, a little bit of white, a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow, and then keep going back and forth, okay? Right? Okay, so what we need to do is we're gonna cut it just a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Cut it, cut it, cut it.
Good.
Good, alright. Great. So we have
Why you always smelling? Daddy has
it
a
smells like
problem.
orange. It smells like orange, I'm sorry.
Do you
Really?
smell it?
No,
Why?
it was my imagination. The color made me think it was orange. This was lime. Alright, cut it. Come on, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Okay.
Alright, Reina, which color you want to pour in first? Okay, I'm gonna hold it, okay?
Orange.
Alright, so what you need to do, be very careful when you pour it. You have to get it in there, okay? Go ahead, do it.
あ、いい感じ。
Good enough?
Yeah, Mommy said you can
Okay,
that
okay.
means just
Alright, alright,
little
so
bit.
I'm gonna do green.
Little
Alright,
by
let's be very
little.
careful.
Don't shake it, Daddy, okay?
Okay.
Or I'm gonna.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Okay.
なんでそれ固まるんだろうね。What is that? Those powder?
These balls are made out of polymers that are very
Oh.
elastic.
I see.
The force of the ball hitting a hard surface puts equal force back onto the ball, causing it to bounce.
Can I keep doing
So
it?
these are yes, keep doing that. Different
Polymer.
colors. Polymer. First science experiment.
Yeah.
これだけかな?
Uh-oh. Hey, Joba, just go ahead.
I'm gonna get. It's not good. This
Man,
one.
well, look at the packets in your hand. Right?
There's a lot, but
Yeah,
I'm
so
not
it's
good
okay.
at-
That's why we have the blanket, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
It's
a
a
cheapy
mess.
blanket. We can probably put some more in there, sweetie.
Okay.
Put a little more
Daddy can
orange.
just down.
Yeah,
Okay.
see? There's so much space in there still. Yeah, rest in there. Put the rest in.
All of it?
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
why not?
Oh, wow.
And
Okay.
down.
Okay.
So.
So you can probably get just a little bit of green or yellow, whatever you want in there. Alright, tone. Yeah, that may be just too much, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Oh no, man!
Maybe again?
Accident. Okay.
Maybe I did too much putting my finger inside.
Yeah.
No
that's
what?
all-
We can just do it again. Okay.
Round 2!
You just make.
Little by little. Yep. And down. You are just so salty.
What are we
じゃあレンナ
doing?
そのままスプーンで入れちゃえば
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. And just scoop it in here, sweetie. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Phase 2. Cup of water.
I have to be careful.
But you
not-
know something?
Just soak in there.
If you just drop it in there carefully,
Okay.
top up. Okay?
Do not leave your hands, okay? Do not.
Okay. Leave your hand. Just leave it in there. Leave it in there. It's got to stay for there for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Are we ready?
Yes.
Say Siri, set timer for 2 minutes.
Siri, set time for 2 minutes.
Okay. She heard me, but it's okay.
So silly. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's 2 minutes right now. You gotta stop. All right, guess what? We gotta carefully pull it out without popping it open. And we're just gonna sit it right here. Oh, that looks wild. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh, that looks cool. So guess what? We have to let it sit for 3 minutes now.
Siri, set time for 3 minutes.
Your timer is set for 3 minutes.
Good job.
Good job, Reina. 10,
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire.
All right. That's all 3 minutes. Woo!
Woo!
Is
it okay, you think?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know. We should wait a little bit more, no?
I think we should, but it's you know, following directions, it says.
Okay, let's
2
do it.
minutes.
Yeah, open it up.
All right. It's really kind of sticky, mushy.
It's okay.
I just hope that when we pop it open,
Huh?
It doesn't.
it doesn't fall
I
apart.
mean, we can wait though,
No,
if
we-
you want to.
We
Maybe we
can.
should wait. You think we should wait?
No.
No.
How many more minutes?
We'll do 2 more
Let's
minutes.
double up.
1 second.
1 second. That's 1 second's gone already, man. Maybe we should do another 2 minutes, huh? Or 3 minutes?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I
Maybe
think
so.
so, because we don't want to mess it up, right?
Okay, then another 3 minutes.
Watch, we can do another 3 minutes and we can't get it out of the mold. No. Ready? You want you to say,
Siri, set time for 3 minutes.
yay, Reina, we did it.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
all right.
Yes.
We did double
Should we do it?
the time, so now we're gonna
Okay,
pop it
then.
open.
You did it already, so you can do it.
I know you did it already. You should be an expert at this
Yeah.
now. Ah! Just peel it apart, man. Just like this. Boop. Are you afraid?
No, I just.
You want me to pop it open?
You have to pop it open. I will.
So I get the blame. Oh my goodness.
It's sticking, right?
No? Yes? Ah. It's not all the way. No.
Don't take it out. What are you talking about? It's pretty hard.
No,
No.
I think it's supposed to be like that.
Well, I think, there's some part is still dry. That's why it just.
Oh.
Yeah, because, the powder is coming out, right? That means.
Well, maybe some parts didn't get
Yes.
wet. That's what you were saying. You want to just dump it or dunk
Yeah,
it?
dunk it.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Dunk it in. Bloop, bloop.
じゃあ、それもう出していいんじゃない? Yeah, take it out and wait 3 minutes, right?
Yeah, we're gonna wait 3
do not
minutes.
touch.
Just let it sit, okay? All right.
お手手洗っておいで、
What
そ
you
のとこに
doing,
してないで。
man?
汚い子ね、君。
Reina!
レイナ、ほんと、お手手洗ってきて。
Today.
お願いします。
Mm,
いや。
tricky part.
What?
Peeling the other half of the mold off of the ball that we created without tearing said ball in half. It's sticky. It's sticky. Oh, you think you're doing it? You did a good job, man.
I guess we're gonna let it dry, huh?
Yeah, I think we should let it dry a little bit. It's real soaked.
Okay.
It's like real thick,
Uh-huh.
gooey.
Uh-huh.
It's like, think of a gummy bear that's been
Okay then.
chewed on. It's real sticky.
Okay.
It's the first time.
And yes, it does bounce, but also sticks.
Okay.
Can we do it?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just let it drop. Drop it.
Ooh.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so it does bounce.
Maybe
Just
we
sticky.
should.
It's sticky, huh?
So we have to let it dry. Oh, no. Oh, yes.
Yahoo!
Somebody's having fun with it. Yeah, that's cool.
嬉しいね。
Woo! Oh, okay, it's getting harder.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah, and I think after it's starting to dry, so it's not so sticky. Yeah, that's good. It's like a tennis ball.
Yeah.
It's not sticky no more.
I know.
本
Wow.
当？本当？
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it is.
Right? Yeah! Yeah!
You like that, don't you?
Should I? We can make it! Play it! Bouncy board できました. I hope you love this video. Please subscribe and thumbs up. チャンネル登録よろしくね. Have fun, be friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!